We see incredible things happening around the world every day. Some leave you speechless, makes you doubt life, and some make you creep. Keep you up at night. I wonder if you dare to use the same filter alone at night. After the filter, one of the TikTok bloggers had a strange scene while using the filter. I don't know if it is a system recognition error or another reason. If you are alone at home, I always feel that there is someone behind me, then you might as well open the same filter. See if there is an invisible him behind you. A sea monster woman shares the strange creature he discovered on Panama Beach. The video has garnered tens of millions of views, shocked social media, but this defiant creature is not actually a malicious creature at all. He is actually a good friend of our humanity. The accountant disappeared and suddenly disappeared. Matrix world. Elon Musk once said, "The odds of humans living in the real world may be less than 1 in 100,000. Next, we will focus on a case that happened in a domestic express station. This case will challenge your worldview without reservation. If you see nothing, you can either talk, remember, or talk. This is missing, isn't it? Ha 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 ha, happened. Look again, it's gone, it's gone. Can't see. Come in, don't in. Touch my sister." A courier disappeared silently like this. The smooth and consistent timeline in the surveillance footage can prove that the video has not been edited. So how on earth can we explain everything we see? Do you think we really understand the world we live in? Mary Carmen lives with her parents on a small farm, which made him particularly fond of these small animals on the farm. For him, these animals are his best friends, especially his dog Scott. Scott is a very smart Labrador. He also had a strong relationship with Mary. One day Mary went out with her mother. It was late at night when I got home. He found Scott lying motionless on the ground. When he went to touch him, he found that Scott had turned into a cold corpse. Mary was devastated, so that I don't have the courage to look back at the surveillance video. After several days of mourning, with the encouragement of her family, Mary decided to revisit the last moments of her dog's life. Monitoring display. A few hours before Mary came home, Scott has already left this world. But what moved Mary even more to tears was what happened next. Also started the live broadcast tribute to Scott with fans. Now Mary has let go of Scott's past. Give Mary a colorful life. The joy they experienced in the past will never dissipate, even if Scott is gone. His life and joy will forever be sealed in Mary's heart. towards Noah, weirdly, he wasn't panicking. Because these ghosts and things about Louie often happen. Alright guys, I'm at the empty floors. I was hearing some noise coming up right now. It's kind of freaking me out, so I'm gonna be feeling a little bit. See you, so shit. This shadow, which only existed for a few seconds, puzzled Noah. He swore he was the only one in the whole hospital. Miss Applegoe she died 2 years ago. Late night conversation. The man in this construction just joined the night security guard. But he was working in a place that didn't seem very friendly to him. On his first day in office, he experienced an unforgettable scene. Who is he talking to? Yes, sir, who are talking to you? I'm talking to ladies. I thought I walked on by the store. The best it was important for Griffin. Her name is named Abigail. Did you say Miss Abigail? She says she hates the demons of Griffin. Miss Abigail like she's been passed on for 2 years now. Am I here with Abby? Miss Abigail she died 2 years ago. Do you mean the person I'm talking to? No, there's nobody in front of you at all. Although Abigail does exist, but he's been dead for 2 years. This sudden conversation was like a bolt from the blue. Confused the poor security guard. And his reaction seemed very real. Therefore, the possibility of video fraud is minimal.